Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you a quick tip here. This is how we empty our tanks, just in case if somebody's looking for trying something different. We do currently have our 2 gray tanks open as we are running the washing machine and a dishwasher. But otherwise I'm going to show you how to do the black tank. So what we do is we've got some fresh water coming in, and I just use the sprayer for the shower. And on the end, I've got a water gauge with an adapter, quick connect, and then a open and close valve here, so that way we can stop any backflow. And what I do is I go ahead and turn that on. So we got some water flowing through, and you'll see the meter here will start clicking its way up. And then we go ahead and open the black tank here, and then you'll start hearing it flowing out. And do make sure that you are connected to your sewer on the other end, otherwise that's going to flow through. And so while that's going, what I do is kind of keep an eye on down here while everything's draining on the end. Once that comes out as clear water on that final elbow before it goes on the ground, once that comes as clear water, I'll go ahead and close the black tank valve, and then I'll let it fill up about 5 gallons of water into that black tank. And once it gets to 5 gallons or so, maybe a little bit more than that, roughly 5 gallons, I do at least 5, then I go ahead and open up that valve again for the black tank and let it flush that out, and I'm still continuously running water through. And then from there, then I reclose the valve again, let it fill up with 5 gallons, and then I turn the water off.